How to fix GoDaddy could not connect to database. Error. If your GoDaddy website cannot connect to its database, it's typically due to incorrect configuration, server issues, or database corruption. Follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check database credentials. Log in to GoDaddy. Visit GoDaddy.com and sign in to your account. Go to My Products. Navigate to My Products and open your hosting dashboard. Access database settings. Click PHP-MyAdmin under Databases. Verify your database name, username, and password. Step 2. Update database configuration file. Access File Manager. Open cPanel or Plesk from the hosting dashboard. Go to File Manager, edit config file. For WordPress sites, locate the wp-config.php file. Check for the following lines and update if needed. Define DB, name your database name. Define DB user, your database user. Define DB password, your database password. Define DB host, localhost. Save changes and retry loading the website. Step 3. Check database server status. Go to GoDaddy hosting dashboard. Look for any server outages or maintenance notifications. If issues are reported, wait for GoDaddy to restore service. Step 4. Repair the database. Open PHP-MyAdmin from the hosting dashboard. Select the affected database name, check all tables, and click Repair Table from the drop-down menu. Step 6. Check for plugin or theme conflicts. WordPress only. Disable all plugins using File Manager. Rename the WP Content Plugins folder to Plugins Disabled. Reload the site to see if the issue is resolved. Step 7. Contact GoDaddy support. If the problem persists, contact GoDaddy support. Live chat or call. Use the GoDaddy Help Center. Provide specific details, including the database name and recent changes made to the site.